How to remove 3D Bitmoji on Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove 3D Bitmoji on Snapchat. So Snapchat does not allow users to completely remove their 3D Bitmoji, but they can unlink it from their account. So here I'm going to tell you about the some steps. So before starting my video, please guys make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, open the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji avatar at the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon or the setting button in the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down to the Bitmoji section and tap on unlink my Bitmoji. So you will have to tap right here on Bitmoji. Let me select for the Bitmoji. So you can see the Bitmoji option, and from there you will have to unlink my Bitmoji. So this is how you can easily unlink your Bitmoji, but unfortunately you cannot remove but unfortunately you cannot completely remove 3D Bitmoji icon. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.